I know the idea of financial freedom may sound far off to you right now. I know inflation is affecting people worldwide. Nowadays, having one job isn't enough. A second or third job is needed. That's why I'm excited to share with you this video today. I'm not a perfect trader, but I'm a profitable one. And I would love to show you how to replace your job with the income you make from day trading. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, check the link in the description. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions that will help you get more than accelerated on your journey of day trading. You'll have all the basics you need to become a profitable trader. Today, with the help of copy trading, I made $2,580 with a total of 4 trades. 2 of them being losers, mind you. This isn't gambling. This isn't a scam or a Ponzi scheme. This is an actual skill that even a child can learn. You see, once under your belt, this becomes a life-changing money-making skill that will never go away. So as you watch the following video, think about being able to change your family's life by putting in the effort to learn something new. In today's day and age, everything is at your fingertips, and that means it's also all in your hands what you want to be. The only question is, how bad do you want it? Enjoy the rest of the video. So I don't have a lot of faith in this trade. Yeah, I'm about to get taken out on this anyways. But I went in for a short right here because I saw price was kind of stalling out in this area. So so yeah, that's why I kind of went for it. But yeah, I don't think the uptrend is over. As you can see, there's a lot of pushing up here. Like the momentum is picking up to the buy side. So yeah, silly entry right there. But hey, it is what it is. Yeah, we know that this is, I should have obviously remembered that this is a uptrend. Not that I didn't remember or forgot or anything, but I just kind of thought that since we were kind of, you know, consolidating in this area and there was a gap right here that we had already filled, I was thinking that maybe we would start looking to go down. Who knows, we could start looking to go down right here. We'll give it a try again. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna get wrecked again. Silly me. All right, let's just exit that. Yeah, that's what ends up happening when you start to get a little cocky. Okay, so we got an trade right here. Oh man, really was looking to take some of that profit there. But let's keep watching. Got a nice move right here still. This is all still pretty nice. Yeah, let's watch as this takes my stop. But okay, great, that's great, because now we are back up in profit. So yeah, we love that. So let's go ahead and continue to watch here. Okay, so we are in this trade right here. Not really trusting this movement, to be honest with you. Got a big expansion up top there. So I'm okay taking that off of there. I think that was like an extra 90 or so, but yeah, 400 plus. All right, well, I think yeah, it's been some nice trades. I'm gonna take a break and yeah, you know, maybe come back another time. Hey guys, the last trade you saw was the last trade of the day. I stopped trading after that and went on to other things, and I am just wrapping up this video a lot later into the day. But yeah, we made a total of $2,610 from today's trades, and yeah, we're glad that we were able to take those trades and make those profits. If you want to be able to trade like this, go ahead and check the link in our description, and we can get you up and running as soon as possible. So with that, we hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.